Hi and welcome. My name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. So if you watched my previous video, you will know all about this secret Hawaiian prayer that's called Ho'oponopono. Now a lot of people use this prayer to manifest their reality. Now if you don't know this prayer, I suggest you watch the introduction video where I tell you about the prayer and then come back to this one. A lot of people use this prayer alongside visualization to manifest what they want. And then there's a lot of people like myself who've devised their own technique of using this prayer to manifest what they want. Now I'm going to teach you both how to use the prayer alongside visualization to manifest your reality, as well as my own technique to show you how to manifest your reality. So let's get started. So first let me give you a small example of what happened one of the very first times that I tried my own method of using this prayer for manifestation. So this happened last year. It was the first time that I was running an Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign to raise about $1,000 for my very first international music video. Now, I knew nothing about campaigns. I had done no campaigns before. I didn't know anybody who was going to fund me or enough for me to reach that $1,000. So I was filled with all kinds of resistances, fears, belief systems that said, I don't know if this is going to work. But then I knew that it's not going to hurt to try it, so I tried it. So before I launched the campaign, I went up to the roof of my house and I looked up at the sky, which for me is the representation of the divine for me. And I did this prayer. And then I did it for about maybe a few minutes, maybe 4-5 minutes, about 10 rounds. And then I came back downstairs. I launched this campaign, and what ended up happening is that I was supposed to reach $1,000 within 90 days of running the campaign, but I ended up getting $1,000 plus $800 more on the very first day. So I ended up getting $1,800 on the first day instead of the 90 days that I thought it would take. The very first thing I did was I declared my intention. It was a very strong intention. I said I need to attract $1,000. So I declared this intention to the divine, but I said this is what I would like, but it's not my will that I want you to manifest, it's your will that I want you to manifest. So surprise me, show me what you can do. And so that was the first thing that I did. The second thing I did was I told the divine that I know in some parallel universe, in some alternate version of myself, I already have this $1,000 in my hand right now. So what is going on inside of me? What programs, what memories, what data is playing inside of me that is in the way of pulling that reality into this one? So I claimed on that. I said, Divine, I love you. I'm sorry for not being aware of all this data. Please forgive me. I let go. Thank you for cleaning it out. And I did this until I felt clear, until I felt calm, and I was ready to launch the campaign. And as soon as I launched it, things started manifesting. So in a sense, what you're doing is you're declaring an intention. You're cleaning on whatever is inside of you that is causing any sort of disturbance or is in the way, and then you let go and you surrender to the magic of the universe. So that was my technique. Now I'm going to share the technique about how you can use this prayer alongside visualization. So very simple. All you need to do is visualize already achieving what it is that you want to manifest. Now, as you're visualizing it, you may notice certain resistances inside of you. Something doesn't feel all that right? So a thought might be playing in your mind that says, I don't know if this can actually happen. This seems like you're deluding yourself. This is not realistic, or I'm not good enough for this. Whatever's playing around in your mind, any sort of, pay attention to your body. Any sort of resistance you feel, you do the prayer to clean on that. And even if you feel no resistance, do the prayer anyway. So you say, I love you, I'm sorry for whatever is in me that is in the way. Please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Until you feel clear and calm. That's it, and then you surrender. So it's as simple as that. But I cannot go into further detail within a small 5-minute video because there is so much to discover about the potential of this prayer. Now, I will be making one more video about this. It is how to use the prayer to heal your relationships, which is a very strong foundation of this prayer. What it does is really about healing yourself and healing your relationships. So that is coming up. So go ahead and click the bell icon as well as the subscribe button so that you are well informed about the video. And the second thing is, like I said in the previous video, there are a few books out there that have been written about this prayer if you are interested to read more about it. So there is Zero Limits, which is a book about Dr. Hewlin and how he healed an entire ward of criminally insane people using this prayer without doing any therapy on them, and a little bit about this prayer. And then there's another book, the sequel, which is called At Zero. This is the book. At Zero is a book that has all the content you need to know about about Ho'oponopono and different ways in which you can clean and different ways in which you can use the prayer. So At Zero is the one that has more of the content. And then there is this one called The Easiest Way by Mabel Katz, and that one is her version of Ho'opono that she's learned directly from Dr. Hewlin, which is simply saying the word thank you. So if you want to learn more about that, the books are in the description box. Go ahead, read up, understand the prayer, apply the prayer, and then tell me what happened. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon for the next one. Good luck, happy manifesting. I will see you soon. Namaste.